Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11T and let me show you how to change picture quality in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to left side and tap to settings so we can open them, and here we have to slide a little bit to find picture quality option. When we tap on it, we can decide between high, standard and low. And of course I suggest you to keep it on the best possible option, which is high. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.